make that funnel. Got it? Everyone got this so far? Okay, good. Again. That's how fast it's supposed to go. 1.5 beats. All techniques more or less should have 1.5 beats. If you more 3-beat technique, chances are you're behind. Got that? So, all 3 movements come together. 1, 2, and then 3. Understand? Understand? Right hand under, left hand under the right hand. Okay, 3 things come here. The training of the left hand, you catching his weapon, and then the footwork. The footwork is called darag. It's when I stomp my feet to get closer to him. Everyone understand? We'll do it in a bit. By the way, this is my demo unit. He'll be wearing a headgear for you to bash his head out. Give him a little less brain cells at the end of the day. Try again. Go. 1, 2. Everything comes together. At 1 count, those 2 movements, make it an X, boss. Make it an X. Yes. So, again, make a funnel. I'm here. A funnel. You want him inside that funnel. You want him in here. So make it wider. Wider patch. There you go. There you go. Outstretch. Outstretch. There. There. Not like this. On guard. Straight up. Straight up. Just here. Look at the movements. Right there. Right there. Now, as you move forward. Okay. Now, let's break it down. And then, this is the nuances of the technique. This, my sword goes this way. This sword goes that way. I apply pressure. You got that so far? Am I making it clear? Everyone says clear? Clear. Okay. 1. 1 count. Again. 1. You step forward. You put his sword to his hip. 2. This is the formal technique of tatang. Tatang Ilustrisimo. Go. 1, 2. Head it.
Pushes it this way, and he pushes it down. Oh, but he doesn't move this one.
Ready? So, slowly. 1. So it gets that fast. What are the hallmarks of a defense, of a technique? Parry the weapon and hit without getting hit. Everyone? Does that make sense to everyone?
Yes, sir. This goes to my hip a little better, so it's straight on. This.
Yeah.
Down with the left hand. Down with the left one. Just let it slide up.
One.
See how fast you got it?
There. Fingernails up.
Your left foot.
There you go.
Like this.
Go ahead, man.
Your left. Your left hand.
And then move forward. Move that foot forward as you strike down. Every movement will have a footwork. Yeah. So it's like this. 1.
If it makes it easier, you can step forward.
And
You can go
and chain it to her hip. Your left hand goes before this.
This goes. You want us to come on, Jim?
Yeah, and this is the guy. And then no.
Everyone is quite.
Yes.
This is to set up for a game. This is an actual fight.
This one. Control go. There you go. Ready. 1.
Yeah, I get that.
2.
I'm used to side to side.
1. Ah! 2. Putang ng pogi.
See, it's in the.
Yung X should be here. Oh. Kasi bumababa to. Oh. You have to capture. Go. Ah! Tapos, tira. Babangon sa abante mo to. Oh, tumag. Yan. Of course, kasi ito tumatagal. Paul, now, we saw this just now, right? As the left foot forward, the left foot forward, left hand forward. And then this. Now, this is slow motion. Aga. Makes it faster. That's called darab. The footwork, tatang is called darab. That is, I don't want to show that now. It's gonna hurt him a lot. Anyway, go. So, this is what we saw. In application, fast. When your opponent, mutual combat, you have only 33.3 chances of living in Mortal Kombat. He dies, you live. You die, he lives, both of you are dead. You have 1/3. Literally just 1/3. So you gather everything that you have learned to make sure that you walk away. He goes to the morgue, you go to jail. You'll be out in a year. Okay, at least your kids are safe. Everyone got that? Again, go. 1, 2. 1, 2. Got that? Now, let's do it a little faster without hitting the dummies. 1, 2. Yes, yes. Ready, go. Go. Or I'm doing this. Try, let me see. Let me see. Go 1, 1, 2. Yes, okay. Ready. Slowly. 1, 2, 4. Do it fast. Go. Don't forget to push to the hip. Again, can I show you? What happens if you don't push to my hip? It escapes. That's why it's a capture technique. Hit me. Paul. Hit me. That's why it's a capture technique. You capture. This is actually a drill we do along. This is a drill we do. Just capturing. No hitting it. Because it's the same. It's the same. But you, of course, when you have a knees, it's an extension. These are an extra 2 limbs that God didn't give you. So you have to know how to work it. It's not natural, it's learned. Got that? So again, 1, nice. Ooh, nice. Nice and first. Slowly. 1, go. 1, 2. 2. To my hip. Ready? Sure. To my hip.
Thank you.
Uy! Naku! Richard Gomez! Tayo na! Why? Every time I see this guy, it makes me smile.
Why?
Ready? Tira! Oh! Tira mo ko! Putang galing! 1, there you go! 2! Yes! 1 more! 1, there you go! That worked! 2, yes! Who's next? Come on, boss! Ready? 1! I charge you for every break something. Make sure I'm in that point. Go. Ready? what we can do when we awaken your left hand. This is called the espada y daga. So that was a while ago, dobles armas, 2 equal lengths. What do? Shorten the left, of course. Because it's now espada y daga. Go. Sorry. Huwag mo kasing bilisan, slowly! Slowly! Here you go.
My fault.
The training is in the left hand. If you want to be able to use your left hand, you have to train with 2 long swords first. Then you shorten gradually, inch, until you get to this, dagger size. I'm sorry? Well, ask Paul.
Hey, you work with what
He's
you're
got,
born with.
he's got the smallest stick. Ready? 1. It's the same thing, but using a smaller weapon. I got it. Because this is useful in a lot of things. Your left hand, go. The left hand is used that way. The left hand is used as a secondary. This is called the thief. This is called the killer. It's what Tatang and Mang Romy says. Killer, the thief. This grabs the opportunity and steals it from your opponent. It's exactly the same movement, but just a smaller stick, like Paul's. Increase the size of the left weapon, and guess what we have? No weapon. This is now the hallmark of eskrima. There is no eskrima without the left hand. It's the same. It's the same movement. What's one weapon? Only this there. This one weapon. See, again. 1, 2. Everyone got that? Everyone got that? That is how Ilustrisimo is taught. That is how the progression. You're supposed to be adept with 2 long weapons. You shorten it over time, probably over 3 years. You make sure that you can catch with impunity. You can catch the hand with impunity. Understood? Ready? Come on. Bumom sila. One more. One, go! There you go. 1, 2. Let's go, man. Ready? 1. Nice. Go. There you go. One more. Faster. Go. Next one. Ready? Oh, ready. Next one. Go. Sorry. 1, 2. One more. Ready? 1. One more. Sir, let's go. Single weapon. Hey. Oh, something like that. This one. That's not what I expected. Oh, wait. That's one. Single weapon. Here we go. Yeah. One more time, please. One more talk. Yes, sir. I'm going to do Conrad first. Don't go there. Straight. Aggression. Go. Move forward. As you go down, it's body weight. There you go. Too fast. Not enough time. Guys, thank you very much. I hope you got something out of this. Thank you for your energy.